Here's some embryonic stem cells trivia. Subscribe. What type of stem cells are derived from umbilical cord blood? Is it A, adult stem cells, B, induced pluripotent cells, C, cord blood stem cells, or D, embryonic stem cells? The correct answer is C, cord blood stem cells. Which Nobel Prize was awarded for induced pluripotent stem cell research? Is it A, 2014 Nobel Prize, B, 2012 Nobel Prize, C, 2010 Nobel Prize, or D, 2008 Nobel Prize? The correct answer is B, 2012 Nobel Prize. What technique allows for the cloning of stem cells? Is it A, cell division, B, genetic mutation, C, somatic cell nuclear transfer, or D, gene editing? The correct answer is C, somatic cell nuclear transfer. What field primarily utilizes stem cells for new therapies? Is it A, agriculture, B, pharmaceuticals, C, biotechnology, or D, robotics? The correct answer is C, biotechnology. Which vitamin is known to enhance stem cell growth? Is it A, vitamin B12, B, vitamin C, C, vitamin A, or D, vitamin D? The correct answer is D, vitamin D. What is the primary origin of stem cells in early development? Is it A, placenta, B, yolk sac, C, amniotic fluid, or D, inner cell mass? The correct answer is D, inner cell mass. What is the primary purpose of stem cell banking? Is it A, tissue donation, B, genetic testing, C, cryopreservation, or D, organ transplant? The correct answer is C, cryopreservation. Which type of stem cells are harvested from bone marrow? Is it A, epithelial stem cells, B, hematopoietic stem cells, C, cardiac stem cells, or D, neural stem cells? The correct answer is B, hematopoietic stem cells. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.